Happy September closing. We started this month with Thank You Oriflame, and this whole month we enjoyed and celebrated this theme. Yes, in life the greatest happiness comes in being grateful, right? So we share our gratefulness not only with the Oriflame but also with you. So now I take this opportunity to thank each of my brand partners for being part of my Visionaries and Achievers team and to rock this September month successfully. And I also thank each of you for the conviction, courage, belief, passion in not only yourself but also in us and our digital business opportunity and to move ahead. In life, friends, I have seen from my experience, it is the people who believe in the present, who believe in a bright future, who believe in themselves are the people who are very successful and are the people who create, who empower success. So I see many of my brand partners doing that and they are my inspiration. So thank you for all those positive people for believing in me and taking that next step in going ahead and not only completing your 50 points to take away the optimal scrub or mask, or even to complete your first welcome program, second or third welcome program, or even to place for business class, or even just to place the order to take the discounts, offers, gifts for September. So I thank each of you for doing that. Yes, you have done a second, you have taken the second step of courage, like moving ahead. Many people, when I call or I come to know even from my relatives and friends, that they've given up on life itself, that they have given up on everything, thinking this is forever. But here there are people like you who are making a positive difference, making most use of the present opportunity, making most use of this pandemic to not only create wealth but also to improve your health and your family's health, improve your beauty and improve your making skills, making money skills by attending the webinars regularly and by checking with us if they are going in the right direction. Many of you have been excellent students. I can tell you have been coachable, and so I see you completing not only your 50 points but also your 100 points and also learning from the webinar and from us to empower your team. I am very glad that I am having such new brand partners who just joined not even a month but have taken up new leadership roles. So this is very empowering, right? Just being at home and just listening to the news, pandemic, losses, depresses. And many people, even we sometimes feel like a victim. We cannot do anything about the situation. But there are also instances in us or in people like courageous women who have not only completed their 100 or 150 but also have recruited many and are reaching new levels. Despite their illness, despite their family constraints, they have moved. So they have not only been inspiration for themselves or their family but also for us. So being happy, exciting actually increases our immunity and also creates a well-being in our family. So I thank each of you for providing such a positive environment and making a beautiful difference. And yes, friends, you can be the hero of your life if you behave as a hero every step of your life. That is what has made me to thank Oriflame for making me the hero of my life. So are you the hero of your life? If not, you still have time to prove yourself the big worth that you are born for, and seek for your purpose and go ahead. And we are there to support you in every step. Yes, many of you have asked this question. You say support, but are you doing my orders? You say support. Are you doing my recruits? You say support. Are you helping me reach my senior manager title? So is this help, friends? I want to know some answers. So I leave this question to you. So what is help? Is it feeding a hungry man with a fish and satisfy his hunger only then? Or teach him fishing and not only him, you are saving the whole family. Is that help? So I believe the second option is correct, and that is what is empowering many of us. That only has made me a successful leader. That only has made Nandini a successful director, and we are also creating many more successful leaders. So we are teaching you fishing. We are teaching you financial freedom, not only yours, your families and your team. So this is the help we are doing it, not doing your orders. So if there is any misunderstanding, do clarify with me. And yes, and that is the real help that you will realize as you grow ahead in life. Friends, you will be the hero of your life when you work like a hero. And thank you for being part of this success so far. And thank you for being part of our Visionaries and Achievers team so far. Goodbye. See you in our next webinar.